Good afternoon, children. We are going through the lesson that is different kinds of skeleton. In that lesson, we learnt about vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are the animals that have backbone. Invertebrates are animals that do not have skeleton or without backbone. In the case of vertebrate animals, we learned 5 groups of animals that are fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. We have discussed about the peculiarities of these groups also. Fish lives in water. They have fins instead of arms and legs. Amphibians means the animals that live in land and water. Example, frog. Reptiles, they have a scaly skin, and a crocodile lives both in water and on land. Birds, they have wings instead of arms. Mammals, they have fur or hair over the body. Okay, so we learnt 5 groups of vertebrates: fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. And in invertebrates, we learnt the invertebrate animals with exoskeleton, without exoskeleton and with shells. Okay, so today we are going to write question answers in this lesson. It is given in the assignment section also. So you please copy in your science record notebook. Copy cheya matralla oppam padikkum venam. Okay. Let us start. What is the difference between a vertebrate animal and an invertebrate animal? എന്തൊക്കെ വ്യത്യാസങ്ങളാണ് വെർട്ടിബ്രേറ്റ് ആനിമലും ഇൻവെർട്ടിബ്രേറ്റ് ആനിമലും തമ്മിലുള്ള വ്യത്യാസം എന്താണ്? Vertebrates have a backbone and an internal skeleton. They do not have an exoskeleton. Okay. Invertebrates do not have a backbone and an internal skeleton. They have an exoskeleton. Understood? Write 2 vertebrate animals: tiger, elephant. Write 2 invertebrate animals without exoskeleton. We learned that jellyfish and worms have no exoskeleton. They are just like flesh. Oru blob poleyanadu. So write 2 invertebrate animals without exoskeleton: jellyfish, worms. Write 2 invertebrate animals with exoskeleton. Exoskeleton ulla 2 invertebrate animals: beetles, cockroach. We know that this exoskeleton will not grow as the animal grows. So this exoskeleton splits and fall away, and that process is known as molting. A new exoskeleton will grow, but the animal doesn't have protection. Okay. Write 2 invertebrate animals with shells outside their body: oysters and snails. These shells are made of calcium carbonate. These shells will not split or fall off because as the animals grows, these shells also grow along the edges. In the case of animals with exoskeleton, when the soft part of the body grows, this exoskeleton or this hard outer covering will not grow. So it split open and fall off. Okay. Next, name the 5 group of vertebrates: fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. Okay. So please write these 6 question answers in your science record notebook and study, children. Write the heading different kinds of skeleton. Write date and day in the margin. Okay, listen to the video carefully. We will meet in the live class tomorrow. Not tomorrow, today. This video is for Wednesday, so we will meet in the live class today itself. Okay. Thank you, children.